this video, I'll show you how to run Power Automate flows from Orchestra. If you've watched a previous video, you should have the Power Automate connection set up. And this video will just focus on building pipelines and running our Power Automate flows. So we're just going to call this pipeline demo Power Automate. It's going to be a simple pipeline. It's just going to contain a Power Automate task. So we'll just select this task. We can give it any name. So we're just going to simply call it demo task. And we only require a webhook URL field. So the way we have to create our flows, our flows need to be triggered when an HTTP request is received. So we've created a dummy flow already. This dummy flow is triggered when an HTTP request is received in this URL. So we're going to copy this URL and we're going to paste it here. And then that should trigger the flow when we want it. To make sure we have permissions to track the status of your flow, you need to set as primary owner the registered app we created in the first video during setup. In our case, it was called Dataverse API. And yeah, you just need to transfer ownership to the registered app. To be able to do this, you need to make sure your flow is part of a solution. In this case, we've created a dummy solution, and the dummy flow is part of this solution. We just click in Add Existing Automation Cloud Flow, and you could add flows from outside Dataverse, which is our API, and yeah, you should have that set up. Once you have that set up, that would allow us to track the status of your flows, and with just the URL, you can now go and set up your flow. Make sure you use the connection, the right connection. We have this demo connection we set up in the first video, and we're just going to click next, and that's our task. So we can just save this pipeline. We're not going to set up alerts for our pipelines right now, but here we have the YAML file for our demo. We're not going to publish it as of now. We're just going to do a demo run to show you it works. And yeah, we just have created the task, and we'll shortly have our pipeline running. So as we can see here, the task has been created, and it will soon transfer into queuing state and start. So yeah, the Power Automate flow run started successfully.